Okay, so you use Razer Surround Sound 7.1 as a speaker, but you cannot adjust the volume from the volume slider. If you drag the slider to the left or to the right, the volume doesn't change. First, you want to go to the startup in the task manager and find RZ surround sound helper.exe. Make sure it's enabled. If the status is disabled, you can enable them. It should immediately work, but if you don't have RZ surround sound helper.exe in the startup, you can go to C Windows System 32 and find RZ surround helper.exe and then run it. If you want to add RZ surround helper.exe to the startup, you can right click this and then send to desktop, create shortcut, and then you want to do is Windows R cell startup like this, and then you want to drag this shortcut to the startup. If you see in the task manager startup, this round sound helper is added to the startup, and after this you want to restart just in case. And that's it for the video. I hope the problem is fixed. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.